shadows on the wall. Where you build me up just to see me fall. I hear your call, I see the reflection.
Pardon me. Long 2000. Yeah. Oh, that song. I'll be on mine. Anyway. Alright, everybody. Oh, nothing like just a nice, calm day to kick back and make your favorite beverage, Bigfoot beverage, and do a little video on this really old ancient reel that I'm going to restore, hopefully. It's nice. So Abus I love. I think I'm addicted to Abus. Anyway, you can see it's real nice. It's got a little bit of boat rash and whatnot, but you know, I love the challenge. But it's definitely made in Sweden. Not sure of the year, but we'll find out. It's a 5,000 and made in Sweden. It's got the extra bearing. I have another one of these and that thing casts a freaking mile. Yeah, it should be fun to do a little video on restoring this thing. This one belongs to my buddy Joe, sort of a new friend of mine. We hit it off really good, and went over to his house, and of course, you know, it's like I can smell these Abu Garcias, and I saw it, and I said, hey, what you got there? So anyway, I offered to restore it for him, just for fun, because I love it. And we'll see how it comes out. I'm pretty sure he'll be hopefully pretty pleased. But alright, let's get this underway, I guess. We'll find out what year this is here in a little bit once I kick it off of here. Anyway, let's get set up. First thing is get my Boca bearing mat that I really like. There we go. This one out of the way, and I just cleaned here. Can you tell? Anyway, here we go. The jukebox. Okay, I love this mat. I'm glad I got it. It's very nice. Keeps everything in, you know, from losing anything. Oh, gotta love it. Gotta love it. All right, let's get everything going here. Together, right here, in each other's farts. Oops, that's not the words. In each other's farts. Well, I believe this is a 61, but could be wrong. but I think it's a 1961 reel. It's pretty old. Anyway, let's get our special restoration box here that I made just for storing albums and old reels. Got my oil, got my little brushes and all kinds of knick-knack paddywhacks. Give a dog a bone. Do 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 do. Okay. All right. Try this new degreaser. Alright, let's get started. Alright, I re-greased it. I just gotta clean everything up. Now, this was the most important part right here. What I call the city. Gotta re-grease the city. Hey, let's go have some fun. Yeah. Oh boy. Let's go have some fun. Let's go have some fun. Dee 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 dee. What are you doing, dog? Get out of the way. Gonna ruin the fun. Coward. Ah! What the?
You didn't scare me this time.
Ah, crap. It didn't work. Okay, back to work. I tried to scare her and it didn't work. Well, that's it. Anyway, came out really nice. Nice little silver shaft, and still gotta detail it a little better. But other than that, looks pretty good. It's very smooth, very smooth. This is, I mean, look at that. That's it is. Very nice. I love it. Anyway, hope you liked the video, and if you guys have any questions on this, I have a question. If any of you are real big time Abu Ambassador fans, I believe it's either a 61 or 76, I'm not quite sure, but the I don't know if you can see that, but the foot reel number is 391761, so I'm led to believe it's either 76 or 61. I'm not quite sure. I'm thinking maybe 76, but could be wrong. I mean, it's got a lot of nice fancy lines, and it's definitely old. But I bet it'll pull up a 30-40 pound blue cat like nothing. Anyway guys, hope you liked the video. Bye.
I think the notice is plain enough. Can you be on time? Can you be on time every day?